In this video, let's take a look at the ATH-SQ1TW True Wireless Earbuds from Audio Technica. First, let's start off with the price. At the time of making this video, these earbuds on Australia cost only $99. And for that much money, out of the box, you get a whole lot of documentation, a small USB-C charging cable, some silicone ear tips in various sizes, and of course the earbuds itself. Now, as you can see that the whole case is made out of plastic only, which keeps the overall weight fairly light and it fits right in your palm with no fuss. They are a little bit thicker than I usually like my earbuds case to be, but nevertheless, it does slip into your pants pockets with no problem. Plus the magnets inside the case snap onto the earbuds very well. So there is no chance of them falling out when you are in a hurry, which is good to see. But the most striking thing about the ATH-SQ1TW is their design. It's refreshing to see a budget earbud that does not look like an AirPods knockoff. They have a square shape with a very subtle Audio Technica logo, and on the outside square you have a backlit LED indicating left or right earbud. And in terms of comfort, I don't have anything to complain about. The nozzle slides into the ear canals in a small angle, and then the rest of the earbuds sits flush outside the ear canals, barely touching the ears. But nevertheless, it felt very comfortable and secure. Plus they are so light, I'm pretty sure you could wear them as long as the batteries last before fatigue sets in. Now speaking of battery life, on my tests, I found that the earbuds lasted around 6 hours, which is 2 hours more than the AirPods Pro, but the case can only recharge the earbuds twice, which means you have to reach for the charging cable more often than you might have liked. But on the good side, the ATH-SQ1TW has touch controls on both the earbuds. Tapping on the left earbud, you can adjust volume in 10% increments or decrements, which did take a little bit of practicing from my end, and tapping on the right pauses songs and lets you skip a track forward or backward. However, if you take off the earbuds, the music do not pause automatically unless you keep the earbuds straight in their case. And in terms of connectivity, the ATH-SQ1TW connects via the older Bluetooth 5.0 technology and has a line of sight range of only 10 meters. But connecting to the phone was really easy. All I had to do was open the case, take out the earbuds, and then connect with my iPhone from the Bluetooth list. And it's even easier with Android as it supports Google Fast Pair. They also do not have support for aptX codec, but I did not find any lagging issues while just browsing on social media, mobile gaming, and watching videos on YouTube. So the ATH-SQ1TW is a budget pair of headphones, so it's not shocking to see that Audio Technica has skipped from features such as ANC. But the passive noise cancellation is pretty good to drown out nearby bass range frequency, given that you have found the correct ear tips that fits your ears perfectly. Also with good fit, you can get pretty good sound out of these guys. They are very loud and has enough kick in the bass to please almost everyone. I found that the mid-range frequency to be very forward, so listening to lead instruments will not be an issue as it does that with a good degree of accuracy. But the treble is not that accurate and it can sometimes overshadow the bass range frequency. For most people it's fine, but it might not be the right one for you if you're an audiophile. Testing the microphone of the ATH-SQ1TW. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So as you just heard, the lack of noise cancellation means that the omnidirectional mics on the ATH-SQ1TW will pick up a lot of ambient sounds along with your voice. They are good for indoor calls, but when outdoors, I recommend that you find a quiet place to make a call with these guys. Not much to talk about features as there is no mobile app, but the earbuds are IPX4 water and splash resistant rated like most other earbuds, which is always nice to see. So to sum things up, I think the ATH-SQ1TW are a unique looking earbud that has a good sound and a good battery life. I do miss the fact that this does not have a companion app more than anything, but considering the price that they are being sold at, I think it's okay. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.